All right, good morning. It's Thursday. Today, we are going to, I'm going to send you in your classwork the form, doc, something that you're going to write all your thank yous on for your former teachers. So that is taking place of your reading benchmark today. So, woohoo! I saw some of you cheer yesterday, so that's good. And then continue your writing, whether it's in your packet, your printed out papers, or your journal essay. And then for math, I'm going to show you. You're going to use that, and that's going to help you. And you're going to need this, and I'll show you how to do radius. And then you're going to do your blueprint today. So this is your blueprint. Now, when it says to do your blueprint, you will need to design the layout of your new petting zoo. It must be drawn to scale with 1 unit. 1 unit is 1 meter. All habitats and attractions must be 2 meters apart to allow room for walkways. Okay, so each one of these little squares is 1 meter. So let's say, what's something like, I would probably start with, well, first you have to figure out what do you want to be the front and what do you want to be. I'm going to actually have this be my front because I like it going that way. So I'm going to have this be the front, and I'm going to have my ticket booth in the very front. And I only have one. My ticket booth is a 2x2. That means it's going to be 2 squares that way, 2 squares that way. Boom. It's kind of hard to see. And I'm just going to put TB in there. That's my ticket booth. Woo! All right. And then trees. I'm going to wait on trees because I'm going to do my other things first. I'm going to wait on benches. Bathrooms. I'm going to do my bathrooms. So that's a 6x8, and I have 2 of them. So I think I'm going to do 1 over here and 1 over here, just because you know how in places they have bathrooms like spread out. So I'm going to do it in the corner. So 6x8, I'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that was 8. Yeah. Bathrooms are big and expensive. Now, I'm not decorating it right now. I'm not making it all pretty. I'm just planning it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and that'll be a bathroom. Okay, water fountains. I think I'll wait on water fountains, but usually there is a water fountain next to a restroom. Okay, so I'm gonna look back up here, and I have my piggies, and those, I really don't have much. I only have 3 things to do. Huh. Oh, and I did shoot. I changed mine to chickens because my donkeys were too expensive. So I have to change that. That was chickens. And they are 6. Oh, they're little. Okay, so let's go to pigs. And that was an area of 18, so I did a 6x3. It doesn't have to be a 6x3. It could be anything that equals, so it could have been a 2x9. But I don't know where I'll do it. I'll just do piggies right here. Pigs, 6x3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my pigs. Okay, now if I wanted to put my chickens right next to them, I can't let them touch. There has to be 2 squares in between everything. So I can't put my drinking fountain right next to the bathroom. I have to put it over 2 because that's what the rules say, so that you have a walkway. Okay, I'll do my goats and sheep. Those are 24. And what am I going to do for that? I'll just do a 6x4. I'm just going to be boring, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meh. Those are my goats. And sheep. Okay. So what do I have left? Rabbits. 12. 12. I'm videoing right now, so that's okay. 12, 2x6 I'm going to do. I have a 3x4 on there, but I just changed my mind. I want a 2x6 because I feel like I could put them right here in the middle and make it narrow. So I'm going to go over 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and those are my rabbits. And then I have my chickens. So, I don't know, put the chickens right here. Mine's kind of boring. So I'm just gonna do a 2 by 3, because 2 times 3 equals 6. So those are my chickens. Bark, 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 bark. Okay, that is terribly exciting. Okay, I also have my 5 trees. So I know I wanted a tree next to my piggies. Radius is a circle. So when you see these and it says radius 0.5, radius, there's another one, 5. Oh, that's a big one. Radius, what you do is you go like 0.5, that's half of the square. So pretty much a tree is just in the middle. Whoops, that's too close to my pigs. Do that one. In the middle of the square, and then over to the side is half. Okay, so it's like, it's just 1 square is a tree. That's basically what it is. And I believe the drinking fountains are the same. They're a 1 by 1. Okay, so this, I'm going to put a T in it so I know. And how many trees do I get? You get 5 trees. How'd you know? Did I already say it? You're fine. So I think I'll put it by a bench too. So I'll put a tree there and I'll put a tree over here because I want my piggies to have shade all day. And then I'll put, I have some other big stuff. I can't remember. I think I did the animal treat stand and the photo area. So I need to still throw those in there. Where's a nice place to sit? What animal doesn't smell as much? Maybe I'll just do it over here. So I'll do like a bench is a 2 by 1. So a 2 by 1. So that's 2 squares. That's a bench. And maybe I'll put a tree right here. It has to be 2 away though, which I think is actually kind of dumb for this one, but oh well. Put a tree there. That way if people want to sit, depending on where the sun is, I don't know my northwest, southeast on this, but that is a bench and that. Okay, so I also had an animal treat stand and a gift stand. So, or no, a photo area. I need to remember to do those. So 2, radius of 2. So basically, I'm going to put that in the beginning. That way they can get their treat stand. You start and you go out 2. And basically it's, whoops, I made that too small. Criminy. That's the center. So it's got to have 2 on each side. 2 going up and 2 going down. Shoot, I don't think I did that right. Okay, let me start that again because you guys will probably have radius. Okay, so find your center point right there. Center point in the middle of 2. And then you go up 2, out 2, down 2, over 2, and make that into a circle. So you just go boop, 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 boop. All right, not the prettiest circle, and you can fix that later. Again, this isn't like getting graded for or judged for pretty right now. You're just planning it because you're going to do this on a larger scale with the graph paper and your big poster. Okay, so what in the world did I just draw? Radius of 2, animal treat stand. Animal treats. Okay, and then I also had the photo area, which was a 2 by 4. Well, I don't know where I want to put that. I don't have a ton of room. We'll do it over here. 2 by 4. And I'll put photo. Okay, so that's a little bit more. Okay, so I still need a couple more benches. So I'll put a bench over here. Okay, good luck. I'll put a bench in the middle. Remember, you still have to have 2 things in between everything for your walkway. And actually what you're going to do after you get everything down, and I'm not going to do it because I'm going to end this, you're going to design like your walkway. Like, oh, there's like a walkway here, and oh, the walkway goes this way, and then it goes this way. And then you'll have like this path that people can go on, and it's only 2 wide. I'm trying to make sure mine's wide. See? So this would be like, oh, and you're not coloring quite yet, but it kind of gives you an idea. Oh, there's my walkway. Okay, so you can, it doesn't say to do the walkway, but after you get everything in there, I would do the walkway. I think that was it. Again, if you have questions, email me, let me know. I don't think we need to do zoom on this because I feel like I gave you enough. Remember, radius is a circle. This is just squares. All of your measurements are just squares, so they're equivalent to these little squares. Each one of these squares is 1 meter. And have fun with it. Today should be fun, creating your little zoo. Kind of be smart about where you're, like, don't put your ticket booth in the back, because obviously you need the ticket booth right in the front. So figure out where your front is. Yeah, so have fun with it. Happy Thursday.